Hello guys, it's me Imad from Nelson Darwin Park Tech YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about a usual error inside the matlab the GUI file that sometimes we got missing our access tags. I'm opening one of my file, that is any figure file. Okay, now you can see that you cannot see any sort of tags, although there must be some sort of tags. So you need to do one thing, that you must double click on this. Right, you can double click on this. You need to find the next plot command, and you need to adjust it to 8, and then press enter, then cancel it. Then okay, wait. Also write its name, and that is axis 1. So where is take? Yeah, here it is. So it is axis 1. Double click on it. Okay, now we will right click on it. We will go to callback, and we will again create a function for it. Okay, now we got. Okay, now we have this, what's called as the .fic file. Now we are going to close it, and we will again open it. Hopefully our tag will be there. So guide, and we will open it. Now you can see that our access name do not use to lost anymore. So just fix your issue, and if you think that you got some sort of help, you can like and sub this channel. So thanks for watching.